Alright, so welcome to the quick little overview of the Viral Loop theme. So once you have it installed, in the first tab we have here is the Design tab, where you can easily design the way that the website works. So we have the ability for your logo, of course. Then we have a few options to customize the amount of items you want per list and the number of lists that you want on your homepage, and if you would like to include categories or lists on your homepage. And of course, if we choose categories, the featured category that we want featured on our homepage. Then what's cool is we have our own theme builder down here at the bottom, where we can customize the layout of our website. If we would like to include a search box, if we would like to include a slider on the homepage, the header settings, where we can enable a sticky header, choose the background color and the navigation color, all these background settings where we can change the colors, the patterns, we can upload our own pattern, change the opacity and change the size of that pattern, the font settings, the single post settings, and our footer settings. If we scroll back up here to the top, we have an advertising section where we can add leaderboard banners to our website or sidebar banners. And it's really simple. All we have to do is click this drop down menu, click on new ad, and add our title, our image, and our link, and click on save. Very simple to use. Next, we have our member settings. Now this here is where you will configure if you would like members to be able to sign up to your website and submit lists on your behalf. So obviously the first question here is, would you like to enable that or disable that? If you allow it, you need to customize the rest of the information here. Would you like to require an email confirmation? You can add an external welcome message, an internal welcome message, and then for the publish settings, for everyone who submits a list, you can make it go into a moderator queue, which will require you to manually approve each of them. You can just go ahead and auto approve everyone who submits a list, or you can choose to only auto approve people once they have a certain amount of lists already approved by you. So I can say once someone has 4 lists already approved by me, go ahead and auto approve the rest of the list that they try to submit. And then we have our autoresponder settings so that we can build our list at the same time that people are signing up to our website. Back up here at the top, we have our social sharing settings, where we can configure all the different social networks, allowing our content to easily go viral. Inside of the list creator is where we can actually create the content and the list for our website. So the first option is to choose the type of media that we want to use to create our list. So I'm going to click on videos. And once I do that, it's going to automatically take me to the next tab, which is our keyword that we would like to search for. So right now I am on my weight loss website, so I'll just search for weight loss here and click on search. Now, when I do that, the theme is going to come back with a bunch of different keyword suggestions that I can use to find videos for my list. So I can come through here and I can simply just select which ones I would like to focus on. So we'll do that there, and then I'll click on next. And now for the items that are populating right now, this is based off of the tags and the keywords that I just selected in the previous step. So now we can come through here and we can start creating our list. So we'll find videos that I think will make a good list. So we'll just select some of these here. So we selected our 5, and now I'm going to click on next up here at the top. And from here, we can customize the title and the description of each video. So it's automatically going to pull this information for us from the YouTube video, but we can come in here, we can change it if we want to. We can remove some of the contacts and the links if we wanted to. We can include the URL, and we can simply rearrange these however we would like. Once we have that configured how we like it, I'm going to click on next again, and then we need to choose the category that we would like to apply this list to. So I'm going to say weight loss tips, click on next again, and now we need to choose the tags to be included. So by default, you're going to see we have all the ones that I selected previously, and we can add additional tags if we wanted to. So I'm going to select all, then I'm going to click on next again. And last but not least, we need to create a catchy name for our list. So I can say, you won't believe how these 5 ladies lost weight. And that's my attempt at a clickbait title. And once you have that, you're going to click on submit. And when you do that, your list is going to be submitted to the website. And as you can see, congratulations, and we can create another list. Now, if the visitor was creating a list on your behalf and you have the moderator option turned on, that list would be added to the list queue on the left-hand side, and you would have to manually approve it. If you have it set to automatic approval, then that list would be automatically added to your website as well. Now, allow me to show you what this looks like from a member's point of view. So here I am on the website. I am signed up. We can see the list that I just created. You won't believe how these 5 ladies lost weight. We can see that here. And on the right-hand side, I'm already registered. There would be a register button here if someone wasn't signed in yet. And I have the ability to create a new list. So I'm going to click on that. And when I do, we can see this looks pretty similar to the previous version without all the different administration options on the left-hand side. So I can come through here, it's the exact same. I'm going to select the videos. We're going to select weight loss again. We will choose a few different keywords here. Click on next. We're going to select some videos. And we're going to see how this time my list will get added to the moderation queue. So we'll select these here. Click on next. We'll keep the item descriptions the exact same. And we'll keep our category the same. We will select the same tags. And then for my title, I'm just going to say my title. Click on submit. And we can see the same message. Congratulations, you have created a viral list. Now that one there is going to be added to the moderation queue